Awan. Sila dyan. Oh.
Dad, what's a
Naalis sa
renovation?
Moonfort Bat
Dad.
Cave. What?
What's a renovation?
Repair. You have to renovate your repair.
Huh?
Can I borrow that hat, Koy? Pardon?
Entrance to back here.
Ano nga fruit jo? Ay, kuan mangyapon da ini. Miracle fruit.
The graveyard.
Step run eh. Subaya running step. Nasa'y bat footsteps sa Moonfort Bat Cave. Meeting. Maternity or mating. Oh. Nag-sounds yun, no?
Ha?
Nag-kick sounds.
Let's listen to the sound of the bat.
Cave 1. This is the cave 1.
Cave 1, entrance.
I'm scared.
Cave 1. Entrance. Ang cave 1, maternity area.
How many bats are there?
Ano no? Ate, those black are bats.
Oh, yes. You know, see, Koy, those black.
You see that black, okay? They sleep in the morning, okay?
Mom,
This is a-
up! Up! Go up! Mom!
You wait.
Mommy, that's Mama.
Okay, so many ate no?
Mm.
Imagine that one.
Abit lang ba?
That black in the wall.
They sound so weird. Yes, Mom?
Anong uban mata man na?
Haba man. Hala.
Dili gid siya ingon na cave, no.
Let's go.
Let's go there to the cave 2.
Let's go. How many caves, Dad?
5.
They sound very weird. Okay?
Bat Mama.
Bat Mama. Mama, Sita.
Bat, sleeping, woman. Always high school processing.
New York. New York. Maybe.
Ay, do not lean on the fence, ha?
Why?
Kids, do not lean on the fence.
Why?
You might fall. Alright, Jo. Hala, there's clear view. Hala, Jo. Lalom kay Jo, eh.
Please do not lean on the fence. Oh, look at the bat. Di mo kailan.
Hindi lang kita ni wala. Bako kinada Jo ba?
You sound scary.
Wala pa, di pa ni mo.
They're cute, right?
Sumpah yung dito?
Really sound
Oh,
cute?
oh.
I think it's cute.
Sabi, dako kisig na contribute, no? Sa durian.
You remember that?
That's why there are many durians here, ate.
Kaya gano'n ganito mo. Help
Pollinate. They help pollinate. You know what's pollination?
No.
The pollen grains of the flowers. Diba? Plants will need pollen grains.
Video ka?
Okay.
Ah.
Meaning wala halas po di ang mark mo.
Wala. Na siguro.
Why
Kaon
is like
siguro.
this, Dad? Dad, why is like this?
More
Why
sa
is like this?
Wala. Wala, this is their training ground, oh.
Really have to be done.
Ano kayo?
Ooh, ew.
Those black on the wall, that's their poop.
What?
That's their poop. Mani ang training ground. Cave 2
But
siguro
okay
ni.
naman siya, Mark. Kay fruits na may lagi pangaon. Right, ate?
Cave 1, Cave 2, Cave 3 dahil ni.
Ano po yun? Please. Tapos may male ward.
You don't lean on the corner fence.
Next room. You want my sunshine? Manny sunshine. Next room.
You wait, Andrea, ba?
Oh, don't move.
Maybe in evening ate, all of them will come, right? Go out. Nyakoy.
Yes, gosh. Bat. Bat. Michael, don't step in the bat. Step in the bat hole. Hey. Hey, yeah.
Hoy.
Hey, gosh. Batman. We're going to save.
Jo, gapo siguro ni gabi eh. Saba kayo. Manggawas, ang mang lupad. Oh, nagsugaan niya nila. Oh.
We're going to Batman's haunted place.
Look at the color of the bud. Nagdi siya mo pa silang lipod.
Wala nang backbone good. Ay, na backbone lang. Wing bone.
So,
That's their wing bones.
guys! Your bones are not inside. Dude! Wait, there's a
No, it's inside. But it's just very thin so that it can be visible.
It's one thing.
Diba? Their wings is thin.
Ano ka mo sa training ground?
See?
Where?
Sa garot jo ba? Mga itlog, no?
It is their...
Bawo, oy, no?
The office.
Gani, uta kita og white, no? Ano yung saya ni white?
Nga ba?
Albino, oh.
It smells bad. Ew.
Yup. Ang hangin niya, jo. Babaho, jo.
Ew, it smells like
Hmm?
food.
Smelly, no?
Yeah.
That's the smell of their poop.
Smells like chocolate cake. What? Wait, why is it on that side?
Male sword.
No, these are all male?
Male sword. Pwede siya nga cave.
Pila rin ako ni mag-category.
Mm.
That's good. What?
It's not smelly anymore, koy. Oh, these are male bats.
I cannot breathe. Yeah, let's go. This next one. To the next.
Malingaw.
Yeah, I said next. Dad,
Di siya masudlan nga cave.
let's go. Stop videoing. I'll throw your phone there.
Basta pa dulang hangin diri, oh. Faster, koy. Because the air is blowing here.
No, Daddy. Oh.
Yeah, you go there now. Don't wait for me. Why are you waiting for me?
Stop pushing me.
Smells fruit.
Huh?
Smells fruit.
Ew, it smells like chocolate cake.
Kini may lalom na jo, oh. Jo, kani ba? Murag lalom na ni jo.
There you go.
Di ba, maglalo man nga cave.
Next.
Let's go, let's go.
Okay, that's all.
Ha?
Come na, let's go na. Moto siya guys. Ang lima ka cave.
Dad.